So, good day everyone. So today we were going to create or give you example using F string method. Here are the example. Name equals double quote Fritchie. So that's my name. Age equals 20. Course. This is only an example. Double quote computer science. So friend open parenthesis F double quote my name S. So curly braces name I am or your age and I study your course. Example number 2 using format. Using str or string format method. Name equals Fritchie, age 20, course computer science, friend, open parenthesis, double quote, my name is, I am your age, and I study format. Explanation. F string, fast and easy way to combine text and variables. You just put an F before the string and use braces to show where variables go. Here's another example. F double quote hello curly braces name. If name is Fritchie, it shows hello Fritchie. str or string format, another way to insert variables into string using format at the end. Example, hello curly braces format and open parenthesis your name also shows hello Fritchie. So that's it.